Hi everyone! So my haul today is from LucindaCharlotteDesigns. Super fun shop from Etsy, and Lucy is the store owner. She has a lot of really cool things on her site. Definitely check her out. So we ended up doing a swap. She hasn't, no, I don't think Lucy has posted about it yet. She's waiting for inserts, she said. Be on the lookout for what she does with our Choose to Do planner. But I will show you the stickers that we got from her. This is an Etsy shop that is located in the UK, and she wrote a little note. This is really gorgeous paper. Oh, wow. Okay, that's so pretty. It's like marble on this side. I love marble. Oh, and it's gold foiled. Oh, right. So that's just Lucy. She's really sweet. And you can see some of the stickers that we got. There it is. Let me show you guys up close. So the first thing is coffee stickers. I have a feeling she included extras because I don't know. I don't think 4 come in a pack. I don't think she sells them in a pack. But they are Starbucks cups. Perfect for the upcoming winter time when we need to have lots of hot Starbucks drinks. Glossy paper, and I love the illustrations. I love the details that she's put into her stickers. Everything is kiss cut, and I think it's not removable, but it is really super well cut. Her stickers are super high quality. Thank you, Lucy, for including some extra sheets. Okay, so the next 2 I have are both glossy. She marks her kits glossy or matte. I didn't always get the full kits, so I think this one is called Boss Babe, and just really loved the colors, that the more deeper colors. I think this will be really nice for winter. I like that quote here. It says, "Hustle and heart will set you apart." So I think Lucy's done a great job of fitting all the things that are really important for a kit. This is a mini kit. Fit everything really nicely with some deco and the 4-heart checklist, a few headers, weekly tracker, couple full boxes, and then some washi strips. So that will be really nice to use maybe in a personal planner, or we could do more of a white space planning in our A5 cover. So that one's beautiful. Another kit that we got in glossy. I think it's really nice to try out different shops, even though it's the same clip art. Just move these aside. Yeah, so even if it's the same clip art, I still think it's okay to check out different shops. They kind of interpret it in their own way. So here are the full boxes. So these are glossy, again, stickers. These are the 6 heart boxes. Here's the icon and quarter and half box sheet with page flags. This is super cute. Here is really cute. It's like a little banner. I haven't seen these around, but these are individually cut out square, check boxes. It's cool. Here is a really gorgeous weekend banner, and then you've got a few more these are check flags, and then deco, habit trackers, or no, these are weekly boxes, your labels, your headers. Oh, I love this. You've got there's so many pages in here. You've got date covers, page flags, a few more boxes. These are not rounded. 3 heart check boxes. This is so funny. These are in pounds, British pounds. And then last 2 sheets are these ones. So even more deco with this. And then you've got some habit trackers, hydrate stickers, a few icons that are a bit larger, and then some script fonts. I like that. And then this final one is the washi. A bunch of cut washi on top with patterns, and then this is the bottom washi for Erin Condren. I really like how there's no text at all. You really do get quite a few stickers in the kit. Then the final item is actually a matte kit. This one is the one where you've got the working out. So again, there's no quotes on these full boxes. The artwork is really, or like the clip art and all of these designs are so nice. I think this one works quite well as matte stickers. And I just wanted to try out the different types of paper she had too. But here are the full boxes, your 6 heart check boxes. Again, the layout is always the same for her kits. Her papers kind of stick together, just like slightly. But here is the really cute weekend banner, some functional stickers. Oh yeah, sorry, I think I mentioned this is deco, and that is functional stickers, functional icons. And then here are the date covers, the date dots. These are really useful now in finding. Here are the headers and little things. Deco with larger icons, and then a couple of other useful items here. And then the bottom washi is so pretty. And cut washi as well. So that's when most people are trying to get their New Year's resolutions, and this will kind of keep us motivated. Definitely getting back on track for fitness is one of my big goals for 2018. Okay, so this is the entire haul. We just got 2 full kits, one in matte, one in glossy, and then another kind of like a mini kit, more so for like personal planning or just white space planning. So this is LucindaCharlotteDesigns. We got a couple of items from her, and honestly the quality is really, really great. My overall first impressions of Lucinda Charlotte Designs is her paper quality is great, her print quality is fabulous, and I think you'll be really happy with anything you order from her. I'm going to leave her Etsy shop linked down below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.